A detail sander can be used in multiple woodworking projects such as refinishing a door, table, cabinet, or dresser. But the main purpose of a sander is to sand tight spaces, unreachable areas, and detailed patterns or designs. In order to perform woodworking, you will need a detail sander within your toolbox. Certainly, there are plenty of detail sanders available in the market with multiple functionalities. However, choosing the best one from many is a little bit hard, so to make your job easier, we have enlisted 7 best detail sanders that fulfill your requirements. So without any delay, let's jump into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
EnterTwist ET-DS100 Mouse Detail Sander is one of the most lightweight sanders on our list that comes with other awesome multiple functionalities. Its triangle shape can reach tight corners and small, hard-to-reach areas where other normal sanders hardly reach and reduce the damages of wood. Equipped with a 0.8 amp DC motor, this sander works smoothly and keeps you away from undesired sounds. Moreover, it boasts 13,000 orbits per minute for fast and efficient woodworking. Weighing at only 1.72 pounds, this sander has 21 holes which help maximum sawdust dust extraction. Plus, its multi-hole design will save you time from matching multiple sandpapers. If you are looking for a lightweight, outperformed, and durable sander, look no further than the EnterTwist ET-DS100 Mouse Detail Sander. Now it's time for Jealous MS-01, a compact electric sander especially for wood that offers the most powerful motor. Equipped with a robust 2-amp copper motor that boasts 13,000 orbits per minute, this sander can be used more aggressively in different surfaces, even in harder materials. Again, having a wider sanding pad, it can reduce your working time compared to other low-powered sanders. Moreover, it is integrated with a finger sander extension, which makes your grinding easier and reaches unreachable areas quite smoothly. In addition to providing a good grip, the rubber handle reduces fatigue. However, it can generate a little bit of noise, but it will not be a deal breaker for you. Overall, this is a perfect tool for home decor and woodworkers, as the Jealous MS-01 Detail Sander is the best tool for those who love to work faster. Presenting the WEN 6301, a high-performing, budget-friendly palm sander that helps you to get a finished surface at minimum time. Its powerful 1-amp motor orbits at 13,500 per minute to ensure fast and efficient woodworking, sanding, detailing, and scrubbing. Having a corded power supply option, you can enjoy long hours of sanding sessions without the hassle of frequent charging. Moreover, its lightweight design allows you to take maximum control over sanders so that you can do your job more efficiently. This sander comes with a Velcro-based pad to make your sandpaper removal and installation much easier and faster. In short, this is the most affordable sander that can sand every tough corner efficiently, which makes it a great choice if you are on a tight budget. Now, it's cordless time. The Worx WX822L.9 is one of the most powerful cordless detail sanders, which is integrated with all corded functionality. In spite of being a cordless device, it can provide 13,000 OPM, so you don't need to worry about its grinding and sanding performance. Similar to other corded detail sanders, this tool is integrated with a dust collector for keeping your workstation clean and dustless. Along with battery, its total weight is 2 pounds, which is not considered an overweight detail sander, yet will let you sand for long hours. The best thing about this device is, if you already have PowerShare tools, you don't need to spend extra money on extra batteries and chargers. In brief, the Worx WX822L.9 is a powerful cordless sander that effectively competes with the other corded devices. So, cordless power tool lovers must try this device. Now introducing the TECCPO TAM S22P Electric Sander, perfect corded detail sander that provides the highest efficiency while generating less noise compared to other detail sanders. It runs at 14,000 orbits per minute with 1.1 amps of power, which delivers you a high-efficacy performance. Weighing at only 2.6 pounds, it won't be painful for long session sanding. On the other hand, its compact size and convenient design allows you to finish edges in narrow spaces. Moreover, it comes with 12 different types of sandpapers, so that you can grind and polish metal, wood, rubber, leather, plastic, stone, glass, and other materials. In order to make your working environment clean, this sander is integrated with a dust collection system that reserves all the waste particles and dust. In short, it's a great tool for grinding and polishing multiple materials. Woodworkers who like the higher OPM must try this sander for wireless detail polishing. With an ultralight vibration facility, the SKIL SR-250-801 corded detail sander is the smallest corded detail sander integrated with a lightweight design. Delivering a smooth performance over multiple sanding applications, this sander is equipped with a 1-amp motor that generates 12,000 orbits per minute. The attached vacuum system absorbs all the dust and particles and reserves inside it to keep your job site and home clean. To make your job faster and easier, this sander is facilitated with a hook and loop system that saves you time in installing and uninstalling sandpaper. Furthermore, its ultralight 2.31-pound weight and convenient design allows you to hold this sander for a long time without any torment. In essence, the SKIL SR-250-801 corded detail sander is strong and does a good job, best for those who spend long hours on sanding and grinding. Proven amp and OPM rate, the Black & Decker BD-EM S600 is one of the best cordless sanders on our list. Its impressive 1.2 amp motor is able to work faster and smoothly at a 14,000 OPM rate, which is better than any other sander. Integrated with a microfiltration facility, it collects dusts and other particles very efficiently to reduce your extra cleaning hassle. This electric sander is facilitated with a 3-position grip to get ultimate control over the sander that ensures your job is more efficient. Again, an included detail finger can reach and grind in tight spaces. Its compact size and lightweight design allows you to carry it anywhere and work with it for a long time. In short, it is one of the best detail sanders on our list that is facilitated with all advanced functionality. If you are looking for a perfect sander that makes your job easier without any confusion, you can purchase the Black & Decker BD-EM S600. So, that was our list of the 7 best detail sanders just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.